Hello everyone. In this particular video, we will write a code to find out whether given year is a leap year or not. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First, I will create a public static void method. I will give method name as a check leap year. Inside that, we will need one int year variable. Here we'll pass our year, and based on that year, we'll check whether it is a leap year or not. So first in if else block we have to check whether that particular year is divisible by 4 or not. So I will create here, I will check year mod 4 is equal to 0. And one more condition we have to check is that particular year it shouldn't be divisible by 100, is not equal to 0. Then you have to check one more condition. I will just separate out these conditions so that it should be easy for you to understand. Yeah. So first we are checking whether year is divisible by 4 and year should not be divisible by 100. And one more condition we have to check. This should be in the OR that year should be divisible by 400. Then also we can call that particular year as a leap year. So if all these conditions are true, then we'll print that particular year is a leap year. If it is not satisfying all the conditions, then we will print year is not a leap year. So in this way we can find out whether the given year is a leap year or not. So let's create a main method and check whether this particular program is working correctly or not. First I will give as 2012 as an input. Int year is equal to 2012. Now we'll pass this year to our method. Now let's see what output we are getting. So here you can see 2012 is a leap year because it is divisible by 4. It is not divisible by 100. So this condition is true. That's why it is printing this as a leap year. Suppose if I instead of this I will give 2015. Let's check. Definitely 2015 is not a leap year. So that's why it is printing. It's not a leap year because it is not divisible by 4. So in this particular way you can check whether the given year is a leap year or not. That's it for this particular video. We'll meet in our next video.